Now compare that with Kautu. His crush feels raw, vulnerable, almost clumsy. He hides it in silence, in longing glances, in the quiet ache of someone who doesn't dare to speak. Where Hwayong's love attacks, Kauto's love retreats. One holds too tightly, the other doesn't hold at all. Two men, two crushes. One built on control, the other built on hesitation. But here's the twist. Both are suffering. Hwayong trapped by his need to dominate. Kauto trapped by his fear to confess. Their crushes define them, shape them, and cage them. So when I watch ABO Desire, I see two hearts in pain, teaching us that sometimes love isn't about sweetness. Sometimes love is about survival. And in this world, survival hurts.